Yeah.
Who that?
Fly guy.
Yeah, when the rain jet pours, washing under my doors, what am I gonna do now?
Yeah.
I can't take it no more, never know what's in store. I'm walking under the clouds.
Badass.
Who that?
Yeah,
Marisha.
the rain keeps pouring down.
Blue and Quint. It's for you. Yeah.
The rain keeps pouring down.
Lost my grandma at 6. Right then I thought life was a bitch. Growing up in a city where there's nothing but pity. What you know about not having a penny? Some say I'm blessed cause I got my dad with me. Over the years I grew up, more pain after pain. Lost my aunt, after that the pain wouldn't go away. Lost Marisha, lost Quint too. Boy, the hood loves you. Niggas killing over dollars, that's how we lost Blue. Wrong place, wrong time, then we lost Shaw too. Can't believe badass go. I'm like, God, how many more we got to lose? Can't win for now. Tired of my mama suffering, and I wish the beef shit would quit before we lose somebody else over some stupid shit. It keep raining, I can see the cloud, but I won't let the rain no longer keep me down. Nah, yeah, sing.
When the rain jet pours, washing under my doors, what am I gonna do now? I can't take it no more, never know what's in store. I'm walking under the clouds. Yeah, the rain keeps pouring down. Yeah, the rain keeps pouring down.
Yeah. R.I.P. Show dog. Badass. Marisha. Quint Blue. We miss y'all. Real. The rain keep coming down, man. And no longer will I let the rain keep me down. Yeah. Forever rep your name till I die. Yeah.
Purchase full-length track with no tags at markup.com.